everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a parallax in Scratch. So let's go ahead and get started. First, if you need to, you can upload an image wherever you are. Now first, let's go ahead and click the create button so we can come to this editor site. Now, how do we make this parallax? Well, if you want, you can take a screenshot and then you can actually code in the screenshot. So I'm just going to pick a sprite from scratch. I'm not going to upload because I can't show you anything. So anyways, let's go ahead and pick a sprite. Let's pick some random sprite. I'm going to just pick from the pick random surprise. Ooh, we got a taco. Oh yeah. We're going to make a parallax of a taco. So the taco is going to be following our mouse. Well, let's go and get started. So first, when you go to the events section and drag out a when green flag click block. Next, what you're going to do is you have to make this taco in a random position so as like in the middle. So I think this is the middle. I don't think 0x and 0y are the middle, but I think this is the middle. So let's go ahead and drag out that block from from the motion section and the category. So now if anybody, you can also do point in direction 90. So if anybody, for example, if they say, oh no, the direction is 47. Oh no, the taco's like that. It's like facing some other image. What you just do is just click the flag and boom, it's back. So, oh no, I moved it to here. Now you can't see it a little bit. Now when I click the flag, it brings back. And if you see, when you put show on the bottom, it says, oh no, what if I hit it? And boom, it shows back up when you click the flag. So anyways, now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the control category and drag out a forever loop. Put it there. Now, if you put a forever loop, you won't be able to put anything outside the forever loop after the forever loop because you only have to put something inside. So please be aware of this because this is going to be the last thing how to make a parallax. So anyways, now here on this step, we are going to be using operators. So you know what operators? Operators are something that operates what is around you. So first drag out a go-to block. I'm just telling you to make the parallax. So yeah, now when you go to operators, there is this block, the plus block. Here there is a plus, drag out the block, and then also drag out the slash block. We're going to be putting the slash block inside the first section here of the plus block. So just put that in there. And now we are actually going to be doing two of those for mouse X and mouse Y. It's going to be following our mouse. So anyways, when you click on something, there will be these two things, mouse X and mouse Y. First, let's drag out mouse X. And also, last you have to drag out mouse Y. Now put the mouse X in the first section of the slash, and then make it 25 here. And now here, what you're going to make it is you're going to make it 40. Now let's do the Y. And for this one, we are going to be doing mouse Y. So drag out that X, mouse X, and put mouse Y. Just delete that block and put it there. Now, instead of putting the same thing as mouse X, you are going to change the other one after 25. You are going to change that to 50. So anyways, let's go and put them in the X and Y's position. So now, since we got everything ready, let's put it back in. So let's see how it does. Whoa, there's our little parallax. Look, it's following our mouse. You don't have to go to mouse pointer because, yeah, I'll be showing that maybe in my next video or something. So that is how you make a parallax. in Scratch. So I hope you enjoyed the simple tutorial and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.